The Hellcat is just a very rare fighter. There's only 6 of them flying right now. I think there's 17 airframes total in existence. So it was important for us to find one and get one and have it restored so we could fly it and bring it so people could see it.
I think most of the people that come in especially appreciate Warbirds is the fact that you have this 75-year-old piece of equipment and it still operates the way it did originally. This particular aircraft was accepted by the Navy on March 2nd of 1945, and from there it served with VF-14 and VF-80, which was all stateside training type roles. After the war, it became a drone. It went up to Massachusetts and then ultimately China Lake, and luckily never got shot down. So we kept all of the skins on the airplane. It's all original. The systems are really what were overhauled: the fuel system, the oil system, hydraulic system. But the structure of the airplane is original. The engine on the airplane is original for it. The propeller is original. You know, on and on down the line. So it's a very original aircraft.
The Hellcat's a great flying airplane. It's got lots of power. It was designed loosely off the Wildcat, but the Hellcat had a lot of improvements. It is very maneuverable. It's got a nice wide gear. It lands easy. It's got a distinctive sound. It whistles and hums, and when you come in for a flyby, there's no other airplane that sounds like it.
It's a unique engine in that it's a 2-stage, 2-speed supercharger. All of the ducting and the intercoolers on the aircraft are original, and it really makes the airplane sound, it's unique. Prior to this Hellcat flying, I'd never heard a Hellcat sound the way it did. And you know, it just kind of adds to the flavor of the airplane, knowing that this is original, this is the way they would have sounded. The airplanes are appreciated. I think people appreciate the quality of work and obviously the history of the aircraft. And you know, having guys like Don McPherson out here that flew it and he sees the aircraft, you know, there's a lot of passion there.
The Hellcat's pretty special to me because of how rare it is and the connection I made with Don McPherson, who this airplane is painted after, and all the stories of he and his squadron mates and the other guys who flew him. You know, flying off the carriers, those guys had some horrific conditions. It's just amazing what the guys in these airplanes did when they were called to duty.
We got to keep the memory and that spirit alive, because what that generation went through is why we're here today.
It just means the world to me to have this here, because I heard a lot of comments this week about people never seeing a Hellcat. And I can relate to that because before this test flew on January 3rd, I'd never seen a Hellcat start up in person or fly. So it's been great. I've heard a couple guys walk by tell me their dads flew Hellcats, and connecting Don's family to this Hellcat has been a very good experience, so it was really special.